Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Pretty excited about this car. We've got a 1970 Camaro RS-SS. You would think you would see a bunch of these, but I was thinking back, I don't remember the last time I've seen a 70 RS-SS Camaro, and I look at a lot of cars, and this is probably one of the nicest examples in the country. Concourse restored, numbers matching, factory color. It's a 350 automatic with factory air conditioning. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, study pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find the price. Not only on this one, we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. Go to volocars.com. If you just like watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 70 Camaro RS-SS. Probably somewhat rare because they're actually called a 70 and a half. There was a strike, and they only made the cars for, I think, half a year anyway. But this is a California car. It's built in California, and it was just removed from California just a few months ago. That's where the car came from just 3-4 months ago. Really clean underneath. The whole bottom's restored, concourse condition. They dropped everything off the bottom of the car. The subframe was out, suspension, fuel system, it was all dropped out. The floors are immaculate. To me, they look like they're pristine original floors. There's no obvious patch panels put in or no rust or nothing like that. It's all clean metal, painted a nice semi-gloss black. The bottom of the motor is all clean Chevy orange. The starter looks restored. It has the flywheel cover. The numbers matching turbo 350 automatic. All that looks like new. The drive shaft's restored. Has its original 12-bolt rear end in the back. The complete suspension, front and back, is rebuilt. The whole front end, the steering components, the ball joints, the shocks, the springs, bushings, you name it, that's all been redone front and back. The fuel system's all been replaced. The tank, the straps, the sending unit, the lines, the brake system, all restored. New brake lines, emergency brake cable assembly, has disc brakes in front. Correct reproduction exhaust, the dual exhaust, the transverse muffler. It means it sits in there sideways, and then it has the correct polished tips coming out the back. There's various paint markings, like assembly line markings on different components, and there's some stickers and tags. That's why I say it's done to concourse. Concourse means it's restored to factory specs. The body is amazing. It was a professional shop that did this car. They said it was clean to start with. I was inside the trunk looking all around at the quarter panels. I believe they're original. I didn't see any cuts or splices. Nothing looked re-welded or anything. It looked like original quarter panels. Bottom of the doors are just spotless. So the body on this car is amazing. Has front and rear spoilers. The gaps are spot on, and it's like yellow glass. It's straight everywhere, all along the bottoms. This is all smooth. I feel the dimples down there. Real car guys know what I'm talking about. That's the factory pinch welds. If it's been cut off or replaced or bondoed, that wouldn't be there. It's all clean. Here's the dimples around here. Look at the gaps, are real nice. Smooth. There's not a bubble. It's slick as can be. Fenders are all metal. It's all real nice. The hood fits perfectly square, flush. It's not sticking up. No cracks up here. This is a problem area where they crack. Nothing like that on this car. Body and paint's amazing. It's a factory Daytona yellow car. Never had a vinyl top, and it's like yellow glass. I'm looking in a yellow mirror right here. It is the Rally Sport. Very desirable. Also known as a split bumper because it has two bumpers instead of the one big bumper, but also the nose sticks out. It's all part of the Rally Sport. Different lights, so there's more than just the two bumpers. The whole front end is different on a Rally Sport. All the chrome on the car, the bezels, the grille, the emblems, the marker lights, the mirrors, that's all been replaced. Part of the Rally Sport also is this trim on the back of the hood and also around the rain gutters here. That's all been replaced. And also, I just learned the body color on the door handles as part of the Rally Sport. Rear windows crystal clear. Wheels are restored to the proper finish. They're not high gloss. This way it should be. All new trim, reproduction, Firestone, wide oval tires. The lenses, bumper, everything back here, all redone. It's beautiful. Car also sits right. It's got the right height. It's all one shade of yellow. I've been buying cars lately, and they show up, and there's different shades of colors. So I make a point to ask that now. But anyway, the paint's gorgeous. The window seals, the door jambs are pristine. The weather strips, sill plates are shiny. The interior is completely redone. Even up in here by the hinges, as far as I can see in there, it's all smooth, shiny paint. Numbers match 350 motor. Concourse restored and detailed in here. Every component looks factory new. It has reproduction hoses and clamps. It has a new heater control valve. It has date-coded spark plug wires. It has the little heat shields around the spark plugs. It has the correct fuel pump. All the right finishes. It has the hood insulation. The complete squirter system's hooked up. Wiper motor's new. Cadmium-plated brake booster with stainless steel brake lines. Air conditioning's been restored. It has new compressor. It has R134 Freon. The air cleaner assembly's all restored. Even the vacuum line, the heat riser tube. All the stock manifolds, has the correct numbers on the carburetor. It is a VIN number matched motor. The clutch fan, the shroud, the pulleys, the brackets, everything in here, the hinges, it all looks pristine. Interior is outstanding. Look at this, it's all like new. The window crank, headliner is tight as a drum, the visors, the mirror, the working dome light. Back here, all the trim, the speaker shelf. All looks like new. The upholstery, the carpet. The dash pads, a lot of times they warp. This one's in really nice shape, fits nice. All the vents are nice. The heater control panel's excellent. Has a tilt column. Steering wheel's mint. Does have the factory gauges in the dash, tachometer, and it has a quartz movement in the clock. All the GM seat belts, even the shoulder belts are up here. Has an AM radio. Just everything about it's in excellent shape in here. I didn't open the trunk yet. I knew I was forgetting something. Well, you guessed it, the trunk compartment's like new as well. It's all painted, real nice, all clean metal with a nice spatter finish. It's got the insulation behind the seat. It's got the trunk mat, tire cover, the right decals, the weather strip. It has a full-size spare, the jack. Trunk compartment's mint. I'm going to start it up now. The car runs perfectly too. Starts and idles real nice. Sounds exactly like it should. One thing not working, the park reverse, the indicator where the shifter is supposed to be, the needle doesn't move. That's right here in the middle of the dash. So something's disconnected somewhere. It's the only thing I found not working, and I never tried the radio. Oh, the radio works. This car always starts like that. You just touch it. Lights work, tachometer works, the high beam indicator works. Sounds good to me. Curious to see if the side glass is new too. Side glass is so clear, it doesn't even look like it's there. So I'm going to venture to say they replaced all the glass. Now the Z28s had the stripes, the SS did not, so this is correct like this with no stripes. Glass is excellent. Got two little marks there. I think they'll rub off. Two little scratches on the glass. And it fits beautifully. Doors shut nice. Really, really nice example. Probably one of the best 70 RS SSs in the country. Great colors, great options, great condition. That's my opinion of this car, but you can go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have specific questions or concerns, they can help you with that. They can also make the shipping, the financing, and the paperwork real easy. Go to volocars.com. You just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.